quit today, guess what? You could already be successful in 5 years from now, but you're not going to know that because you quit. Don't quit. Keep plugging away. I don't care how many times you fail. And honestly, who said it? I think it was Eisenhower. He said, I haven't failed. He said, I've just found 50 ways that it didn't work. So guess what? You're always plugging away and getting to a goal. Hopefully, I'll say it again. I never failed. I just found 50 ways it did not work. So that means he just hasn't got to that one time that it succeeded. Guys, don't give up. Okay, guess what? We're at the meat and potatoes of this. This is where it's fun. Okay? This is where it gets fun. Okay. All right, now we're going to get into the meat and gravy. Meat and gravy, what do you think about that? Oh my gosh, the stuff we come up with. Anyway, this is the plan. We have to get into the plan, okay? This is where it all starts to come together. You should be mentally focused. Well, obviously, you retain 10% of everything you learn in a day. So probably not exactly mentally focused, but you're getting the point. You're starting to get there. And we want to start getting into the meat of it, the part that really spikes the interest, get your brain flowing. Anyway, so this is the plan. Okay? So what you got to do is you want to, first things first, you want to get your website. Get a website. Okay. Now, a lot of you are like, how the hell do I get a website? How am I supposed to make one of them? How am I supposed to make it look all pretty? Well, guess what? We're not in 1948, my friend. We're in 2012, and you can do it. It's actually really simple. They have so many tools out there today. I'm going to give you one of the ones that I use, which is Yola. It's YOLA.com, Yola. Hopefully you can see that. Anyway, next what you got to do is you got to go ahead and get your copy, okay? Create copy. Create copy for your website. Now, a few things I recommend. It's a difficult situation, to be honest with you. And I mean, it's not really difficult. It just depends on your writing skills. You want to use different words. You want to use different wording. For example, like discover. I got a cheat sheet here. Sorry, let me find it here. Anyway, I mean, there's different words that you can use. For example, breakthrough, like I've talked to you about earlier, or manage, or capture, or deploy, or deliver, clarify, comprehend. I mean, different things like that, you can actually use that kind of stuff. I'm ready to break through. I'm ready to take action. I'm going to put my damn foot down, and I'm not going to stop until I get to where I want to go. Do you believe in me? Do you feel me? Do you feel what I'm talking about? Are we ready to go? I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go? That kind of stuff. See what I mean? You're probably getting all goosebumpy and cold chills and different things like that. I understand that. I just said it and I did that. Anyway, that's the point. You got to create copy. Now, let me be honest with you. If you have some money to put into it, then you can actually hire somebody to do the copy for you. Hire somebody to type up your website. As far as pricing goes, I'm not sure because I've actually never done it. But do a little bit of research. If you go online and you go to how to copyright, okay, not really copyright, how to write copy, there's many different things it'll teach you, okay? Anyway, next you got to have an opt-in form. Okay, you might be asking, what is an opt-in form? An opt-in form is a simple form that sort of looks like this. And then you'll say, fill in form for free special report. Okay, and then it'll say something like name, and it'll say email, and then there'll be a little box. Okay, and then it'll say, well, what will I say? There might be a picture, a little squiggly picture or something down there. But that's pretty much it. It's pretty much to the point. Hopefully you see what I'm saying. You probably understand what I'm saying just by saying that right there. It'll pop. It could pop down. It could be on the bottom. somewhere, but that's what you got to create. You have to get yourself one of those. Let's see. Now, what you're going to want to do next is you have to get your videos together. Now, what in the world am I talking about? I'm talking about this. You have to get an intro, like some sort of an intro video, okay, for people to see exactly what it is that you have to offer. It's real simple. You can either stand in front of the camera like I am. If I'm being honest, probably it's going to give you better results because you get to see the humor, you get to see the little mess ups. Like me, for something, if I dropped a pen or something, you'd have to see that. If I went over and got a cheat sheet like I just did, you saw that. It's different. It's interesting stuff. It's movement, different things like that. But, I mean, that's just an intro. Now, if you're really trying to teach somebody something, you want to get on the computer and you want to really walk them through it step by step. That would be the training part of it. We're getting to the meat and potatoes of this. I'm telling you, it's all going to start coming together. But basically, just know you want to create intro video. Okay? That's basically what you need to know there. And that's pretty much the process of the plan. That is your plan. Okay? Now, let me get rid of this. This is where it gets fun. I promise you, you're going to love this. This is the best part. Okay. So now, what are we going to do? That was the plan. Guess what? What in the world are we going to sell? How are you going to make money right now? How can you start making money as soon as tomorrow? Now, I got to be clear, this is not some dumb get-rich-quick scheme thingy, majigger. It's not nothing like that. I don't believe in that stuff. I honestly don't want anything to do with it. So if you're thinking that's what this is, you can just get off here right now because it's not. It's nothing like that. I'm not going to sit here and tell you I'm going to make you rich in the next 24 hours. Not going to happen. In my opinion, it's not exactly possible for the new person. It's not really possible with anybody. But anyway, because it takes a lot of work and a lot of dedication, and you have to put the effort in. So we got that out of the way. Now, here's how you can do it. It's very simple. Let's say we have, I'll just explain it. Products. Say, I don't know, you know what you know. Take your information, your knowledge, and package your information. So, for example, let's say you know computers. You know how to take a computer apart and put it back together. Say the CPU. Somebody needs help putting the CPU together. Guess who has the knowledge? Mr. Frank Kern out there has the knowledge. I don't know. He just happened to come to my head. That's why I used him. I don't know if he does or not, but that's who, I mean, John Doe can know the knowledge. Guess what? John Doe, all he's got to do is package the information and sell the product. So what do I mean by that? Say you have, let's say you have 3 products, okay? There's one. One is going to be, I'm just going to say computer repair. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see, computer repair. And then 2 can be, what else do you know, Mr. John Doe? I don't know, something, internet marketing. Say they're genius at internet marketing, meaning they know how to make money. Okay, and then let's say 3, they're a self-development coach. Now, here's how this works. You have 3 products. This, John Doe, you're supposed to understand this information, okay? So you know about computer repair, you know about internet marketing, and you know about, you're a self-development coach, okay? So what you got to do, your job is to package this information. Package the best information that you know of computer repair. Package the best information you know of internet marketing. Package the best information you know of self-development. Forget the coach part. You can be a coach if you want to. It depends on what you want. But I'm going to leave the coach out. So let's just say you know self-development. You understand psychology. You understand how people work. And you want to go ahead and make a product there. Now, each one of these need to be packaged into a product. You may know this information, but guess what? If it's no product, people cannot buy it. So you have to put it in buying form. Now, how else do you make this work? You have to advertise it. How do you advertise it? You take little chunks. Okay, this is just how I do it. You can take little chunks for free. You can take little chunks out of just depends on you, what you want to do, what you're best at, where you find your groove is. Okay, but anyway, here's the point. You guys, you know the computer repair, you know internet marketing, and you know self-development. Okay, so now your question, or now, how do I do this? Your question to me is, how do I package this information? Here's how you do it. You would lay out computer repair. Say you want to, I don't know, something about a CPU. Say you want to teach somebody how to completely put their computer, take their computer apart and put it together. Okay, every single part. Now, what do? So you figure out every single part of a computer, a motherboard, a cooling system, whatever else there is in there. Anyway, you get all that information, you label it, and then you start making videos. Okay, this is how you do this is how you do that, this is how you pull it out, this is how you put it back together. Bing, 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 30 videos later, you have a package, you package a product, now you have a product. Now, once again, like I told you, you create a website, okay, and then you're going to put a couple videos on there, you're going to make a lot of sales copy, okay, and then you're going to go and market it. Okay, how are you going to market it? You're going to market it with something like Google AdWords, okay? You're going to put it in front of the people that want it. You're going to give it relevant keywords. What is a relevant keyword? A keyword is keywords that people are typing into Google. Okay, how do you find those keywords? How do you know which keywords to put in there? How do you know what people are typing in? You can use a tool for like Google. You can use the free Google keyword tool. You can use WordTracker.com. There's a bazillion different keyword tools. I use WordTracker.com, by the way. Let's see, WordTracker. Okay, that's WordTracker.com. It's like $60 a month, something like that. It's been a while. I think it's something like that. Anyway, and that's how you could do that. And guess what? You do the same thing for this as you do for this, as you do for this. Bada bang, bada boom. My friend, you've got 3 damn products. All you got to do is sell it. Keep your eye on your marketing. Keep marketing the hell out of it. Keep promoting the hell out of it. And guess what? You're going to sell it. And that's just how the process works. Say you want to sell your computer repair program for $197. You can do that. Say you want to do the internet marketing. Once again, everything's the same. You're packaging this. You're packaging your different internet marketing skills. What do I mean by that? You can package article marketing, how to article marketing, video marketing, how to video marketing, form marketing, how to form marketing, etc., etc. 60 videos later, here you go. You have a packaged product. You could name it whatever you want, but it's basically going after internet marketing people. Once again, you can sell it for $297. The self-development course, you can sell it for $197. Okay, guess what? Now, let's say you have a goal. So your goal is to go ahead and create $100,000 a year, okay, off of these 3 programs. Combined, you want to make $100,000 a year. And to be quite honest with you, it's all your knowledge. Guess what? It's not costed you anything. It hasn't costed you nothing. Not a dime, just your time, my friend. Not a dime, just your time. You like that? Anyway, so now once again we have this. I have no idea. This is completely raw. I have not sit and planned this out. 127 copies of your computer repair. 197, and then your self-development's 197, so you have to sell 127 copies of this, and then once again 127 copies of your horse training. So now internet marketing is 297, so you got 25,000 divided by 297. You got to sell 84 copies of the internet marketing. Okay, and basically that's how that works. There's 84 copies. So this is going to equal 25,000. Each one of these are going to equal 25,000 for a total 12-month ending period of 100,000. Now, if you want to take this a step further, you can. You can start making subscriptions. If you want to make a subscription to your internet marketing and start training people that way. Say you add a couple new trainings a month. Guess what? Bada bing, bada boom. You can charge them $47 every single month. What's more valuable to you? $47 a month or $297 one time? I hope you're saying $47 a month, because over time, that's going to create you a fortune. Subscriptions are the way to go. But anyway, for the point here, I'm just trying to say, just take the information, the knowledge that you already know. I'm not telling you to go out there and learn a bunch more knowledge. Just take the knowledge that you already know and package it into a product, and then sell it, my friend. Sell it. Create an internet website, or create a website on the internet, and just sell it. Put the information together. Take your videos, okay, or take your introduction videos. Take your sales copy. Create yourself a website, and put yourself an opt-in form so you can collect their contact information. And then whenever they purchase it, create a secure page. And whenever they purchase it, they'll be able to go and they'll be able to get all this information. Or I guess it's better referenced as a members area. And that's basically how that process works. There's many different ways that you can look at it. It just depends on really what it is that you want to do. Now, if you do your internet marketing smart, and if you really understand marketing to a T, guess what? 197 copies or 84 copies, that's bullshit. Or I'm sorry, 127 copies, 84 copies, that's nothing. You can sell over 1,000 if you wanted to. There's probably, I don't know this, there's probably people that sell 5,000 or 6,000 of the copies of that stuff. So I'm just telling you, you can do it. It only takes 84. It only takes 127. It's not a big deal. For example, say you're using Google AdWords. Okay, you're paying 8 cents a click. Think about that. How much is it going to cost you if you're paying 8 cents a click? I mean, do the math. See, it's really not that expensive if you want to put some money into it. Now, if you want to market this information through your different internet marketing tactics that you're sitting here teaching, then you can go use your article marketing. You can go use your video marketing.